was composed by using recyclable materials like cartons, except for, of course, the overall clay, which was used to cover all of it up and show all the parts of it. So firstly, I will not be delving deeper to the parts of it because of the limited time. However, I have labeled them over here. We have here the aortic arch, the ascending arch, the superior vena cava, the left pulmonary artery, the left atrium, the anterior intraventricular artery, right atrium, the right coronary artery, the great cardiac vein, left ventricle, and the right ventricle and the apex. So firstly, what is the primary function of the heart? So of course, as we all know, the heart is really one of the most essential parts of our body because it helps us supply oxygen all throughout our body and ensures that we have the proper nutrients, and also it also eliminates carbon dioxide from our body. So firstly, deoxygenated blood would first come from the superior vena cava up until to the right atrium, which will then go into the tricuspid valve, and then going through the right ventricle, which will then go into the pulmonary valve into the lungs. So right after that, the oxygenated blood then will come back to the heart from the left atrium into the mitral valve, and then passing through the left ventricle, going into the aortic valve, into the aorta for systemic regulation. So we also have the coronary arteries here, so they supply the heart muscles or the myocardium, but they siya maklaro here with oxygen-rich blood, and the great cardiac vein or the cardiac veins will drain the deoxygenated blood from the myocardium after oxygen has been used for cardiac work. So overall, there are a lot of limitations of this project. However, we have just seen and heard what the primary function of the heart is and how oxygen flows through the heart in and out. That's all, and thank you for listening.